any information we come to know by phone, and we can talk on video call with our close one. When 2 years ago, when pandemic time came, that time our smartphone helped a lot. We used to order grocery, medicine, and children would study by online.
Mm-hmm.
And many people do our work by his phone.
Used to do.
Sorry,
Many
used
people
to,
used to
yes,
do
many
their
people
work from home.
from home, yes.
Yes.
And because everyone didn't have laptop or computer, so they used his phone only.
Yes, right.
And yes, but it is said that everything has advantage or disadvantage.
Right.
So smartphone has lots of disadvantage at all.
Advantages,
uh,
disadvantages. Hmm.
Advantages, yes,
Disadvantages as well. So it
as well.
has many disadvantages as well.
As well, yes. Like people can easily make us fool by fraud calls and cheat calls. Hackers can hack our phones. Today's many people make fake page on online, and when we order something we get wrong things.
Mm-hmm.
And nowadays youth have addicted uh, with phone. They don't want to
Addicted
do
to ना,
hard work.
addicted to phone. Addicted के बाद टू आता है.
Addicted, okay,
Yeah.
yes, addicted to with phone.
Addicted to
And
phone. Addicted to phone. Addicted to
addic-
using भी कह सकते हैं. Addicted to plus ing. हाँ, if you're adding verb, then you have to add ing form. It is exception. Normally we use to plus base form all the time, but here addicted to plus ing. Okay, and if you
okay.
directly mention the thing which you are addicted to, so we are addicted to cell phone. We are addicted to using cell phone, but okay.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. And they don't want to do hard work, and they think that they can easily earn money by phone. And children keep watching videos and keep playing games all the time. That's why they are wasting their time a lot. And due to phone, many relationships going to worst.
Mm-hmm.
And in our family, no one has time to others. Husband wife keep arguing all time. They don't have time to spending each others.
To
And
spend,
parents
they don't
has
have time to spend with each other. Rather
they don't
they like to use their cell phones.
yes. And parents has no time for their children. Oldest time, parents used to play with their children. They would go garden, park, and spend some time and with his family.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, women talk on phone a lot. And oldest time, when we didn't use phone, women didn't have used to time to talk a lot on phone calls.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so they didn't reveal all the matters of their house with others, and they didn't gossip with others. They used to spend a lot of time only their family.
Only with their family.
Yes, only with their family.
Yes. And children's not children, huh? Oldest not old in time.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. That's all my side.
Okay, that's true. Okay, so at what age children should be allowed to have cell phones?
uh, According to me, the right age for phone 17 or 18 years, early
Okay.
teenage.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, after 10th class, we can give the phone our children's,
Hmm.
because many parents they want to send their children's abroad and out of city for study, so we will have to give the phone. Otherwise we don't need actually according to me, if your children going to abroad for his study, so yes we can. Otherwise we shouldn't give the phone.
Right. Sometimes they are going coaching and classes, so I think to keep their contact, like we should give them.